Today we're going to talk about getting prepared for your roofing project. During the process of your roof tear off and install, there will be normal vibrations. Those vibrations could potentially cause your valuables to fall off the wall and break. So you want to prepare by removing anything that you find valuable that you don't want broken in the process, such as mirrors. You want to take them down off of the wall and make sure that you put them somewhere that is secure, that is not going to fall down and break. Frames that you have on your nightstand, you want to lay them down, or things like artwork. You want to make sure that you take them down off of the wall. Also pay attention to any valuables that could potentially fall off the end of the table. You want to set them down on the floor or put them away somewhere that they can